Hello everyone. Today we will be painting some birch trees, and I've got some instruments here that is stuff that we will need. So an old toothbrush, a number 12 or a number 14 watercolor brush, any make is fine, a number 10, a number 4 so you have a little bit smaller, palette knife if you don't have a palette knife, gift card. I just covered the name here, but gift cards or an old credit card or one you want to get rid of. And if you need maybe pencil and eraser, a sponge to clean our brushes, put it right here, and we're going to need some tape. We need watercolor paper, 140 pounds cold pressed watercolor paper. My paper, I get it from their Dairylide brand, which is made by Fabriano, which is a beautiful watercolor paper that is made in Italy. So I've taped it down with ordinary green tape, and I'm going to be using watercolors I already have in my palette. So I've got, let me just show you. I got a red, of course I got a brown. A lot of people ask me for brown when we do birch trees. I've got Phthalo Blue, Dairylide yellow, and this one here is Nickel Azure yellow, and this one is a green called Gold Green from Core. These are all Core colors. So sponge to clean our brushes, and we need 2 basins of water, one for clean, one for dirty. This one's already dirty. I also have a rag here, or you can use a sponge to dry up your brush. So I'll just keep it down here, you won't see it. And I'll be right back.